Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the text color on your TikTok app. So here when I open up my TikTok app, now if I want to create a TikTok, for that I need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and this will open up the camera. Now if I record my TikTok, so after recording it I will click on the tick icon and here in the right panel you will see a text icon. You need to click on it and here you can write whatever you want. I will write hello world. And here you can see that the color is white. If you want to change the color, you need to click on the text. And above the keyboard, you will see a ton of colors. If I want to change it to yellow, you can see that it has been changed to yellow. If you want blue, purple, anything according to your requirements. And when I click done, you can see that my text color has been changed. You can change the other settings as well. For example, if you want to align it, if you want to add a background color, anything according to your requirements, and TikTok will edit it for you. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.